Traveling with young children can be a challenging and exhausting experience, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can also be a wonderful and rewarding adventure for the whole family. In this video, we'll be sharing our best tips and tricks to help make your next family trip with your little ones as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Number 10. Plan ahead. Planning ahead is essential when traveling with young children. Research your destination and find out about the facilities available for children, such as baby-friendly restaurants, parks, and attractions. Also, ensure that you have the necessary documentation, such as passports and visas, and check the airline's policy regarding traveling with children. Number 9. Pack smart. Traveling with children requires smart packing to ensure a smooth journey. Essential items like diapers, wipes, formula, and extra clothes should be packed in your carry-on bag. Additionally, bring along a small bag of toys and activities to keep your kids entertained. These simple steps can make a big difference and help make your travel experience more enjoyable. Number 8. Choose the right accommodation. Choosing the right accommodation is a crucial aspect of planning a successful trip. Opting for a family-friendly hotel or Airbnb with essential amenities such as a kitchenette, laundry facilities, and a pool can make your travel experience more comfortable and convenient. Having access to a kitchenette can help you save money on meals, while laundry facilities can prevent overpacking and keep your clothes clean. Additionally, a pool can keep children entertained and provide a fun way to relax after a long day of sightseeing. Make sure to do your research and choose the right accommodation for your needs. Number 7. Bring a stroller or baby carrier. Bringing a stroller or baby carrier can make traveling with young children much easier. A stroller can help you maneuver through crowded airports and give your child a comfortable place to rest when needed. Meanwhile, a baby carrier allows you to keep your child close and safe, leaving your hands free for other tasks. Both options are convenient for parents and can help alleviate the stress that often comes with traveling with young children. So be sure to pack a stroller or baby carrier on your next trip to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you'd get notified when we upload the next video. Number 6. Book direct flights. Booking direct flights is a smart travel choice that can greatly enhance your trip. Not only will it help you avoid layovers and long waiting times, but it will also make the journey more comfortable and convenient for both you and your children. Direct flights save you time and reduce the stress of managing multiple flights and connections. You'll be able to relax and enjoy the flight without worrying about rushing through airports or missing flights. Overall, booking direct flights is a great way to simplify your travel plans and make the most of your journey. Number 5. Plan for sleep. It's important to plan for sleep when traveling with young children. Bring items that can help your child sleep, such as a favorite blanket or stuffed animal. Also, consider booking accommodations with separate bedrooms or a sofa bed to ensure everyone gets a good night's rest. Number 4. Be flexible. Traveling with children can be unpredictable, so it's important to be flexible. Allow for extra time in your schedule, expect the unexpected, and be prepared to change your plans if necessary. Don't stress if things don't go according to plan, and be open to adjusting your itinerary to accommodate your child's needs. Number 3. Keep your child safe. Safety should always be a top priority when traveling with young children. Ensure that your child's car seat is installed correctly. Keep a close eye on them in crowded areas and use safety gear such as life jackets if necessary. Also, be aware of any potential hazards in your accommodation, such as sharp corners or unsecured balconies. Number 2. Take advantage of child discounts. Many airlines, attractions, and restaurants offer discounts for children. Take advantage of these discounts to save money on your trip. Look for special deals and promotions aimed at families, and research free or low-cost activities that your family can enjoy together. Number 1. Enjoy the moment. Finally, remember to enjoy the moment. Traveling with young children can be challenging, but it can also be a wonderful experience. Take lots of pictures, make memories, and enjoy spending time with your family. Don't stress too much about the small things, and try to focus on the positive aspects of your trip. With a little planning and preparation, you can create unforgettable experiences for yourself and your children. Thank you for watching our video on the top 10 travel tips for toddlers and babies. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative for your next family trip. Remember to always plan ahead, pack wisely, and prioritize your child's safety and comfort during travel. If you have any other tips or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more family-friendly travel content. Safe travels!